find the minimum integer that is greater than root 5 plus root 7 all to the power of 6. Let t equal root 7 plus root 5 s equal root 7 minus root 5. We have t plus s equals 2 root 7. ts equals root 7 plus root 5 times root 7 minus root 5, which is equal to 7 minus 5, which is 2. t squared plus s squared equals t plus s all squared minus 2ts equals 2 root 7 all squared minus 2 times 2 equals 24. t cubed plus s cubed equals t plus s times t squared minus ts plus s squared. We know that t plus s equals 2 root 7. t squared plus s squared equals 24. ts equals 2. By simplifying this, we can now write equals 44 root 7 t to the power of 6 plus s to the power of 6 equals t cubed plus s cubed all squared minus 2t cubed s cubed. We know that t cubed plus s cubed equals 44 root 7. t cubed, s cubed can be written as ts all cubed. We know that ts equals 2. By simplifying this, we can now write equals 13,552 minus 16, which is 13,536. S squared equals root 7 minus root 5 all squared, which is 12 minus 2 root 35. Since 35 is greater than 30.25, so root 35 is greater than 5.5. Thus, s squared is less than 12 minus 2 times 5.5, which is 1. So 0 is less than s to the power of 6 is less than 1. From 1 and 2, we have 13,535 is less than t to the power of 6 is less than 13,536. Hence, the minimum integer that is greater than root 5 plus root 7 all to the power of 6 is 13,536. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.